Hi. So, what if I was to tell you that there is a really simple, quick, and easy way to bring a lot more peace and calm and productivity to your day? And it's something that is with us all the time. It's completely free and it's really, really, really easy to use. But it's something that we often don't think of as being accessible to us and available for us to use. And it's simply breathing. So I'd like to show you a really easy way to think about the best way of breathing. I'm going to show it through using this squeezy ball, and we use this ball quite a lot on our Advantage workshops. It's really effective for just raising awareness of the importance of breathing. A lot of the time we breathe in a very shallow way from up here, and this is about breathing much more deeply. So I'll show you what I mean by squeezing the ball. When I squeeze it, I'm going to be breathing in, and when I release it, I'll be breathing out. So it goes like this. And it's something that you can do anytime, anywhere. It's really effective if you are feeling a bit overwhelmed, if you're about to go into an important presentation or meeting and just want to be more centered and grounded in what you're going to be saying. This technique will help. And it takes literally like what, half a minute, not even a minute. So one more time. So breathing in and breathing out. Just try it and see how it feels.